find something here that is unbelizeable.
Where? A snake.
Show me. Come closer.
This is not a snake you want to worry about because he is harmless. That means it doesn't really do anything. But you can see that it can blend in. Like also garden snakes can also eat. They're good for the garden because they eat
insects.
They eat insects that eat our plants. Like rats. Like we have a rat in our house that snake can eat it with only one bite. That snake, you can see that it blends in because it has a green head and it has a purple back.
Show us where it is, Anya.
Right there. It's
Check it out.
On the fence, you can't even see how fast it goes. It's great to live in Belize because you find lots of different animals. You get stung, but it doesn't really matter. This snake is not dangerous, so you don't have to worry about the snake. It's not poisonous. It's nothing, so it's harmless.
Anya, it just encourages me to catch these snakes. Even though it's not dangerous, I'm not grabbing it with my hand. I used to have Bob Slusher growing up in King's College. He used to love snakes, and it was such a great man that impacted my life. But I remember him grabbing these snakes, and I'm gonna pull the Bob Slusher card just because Anya wants this snake. The time I went outside, like it disappeared. You can't even find it. Like it so blends so well with the plants. I don't know where it is.
Well, it's right around here because there's a lot of crab holes, so it could have went through one of the holes. We don't know though, but it's Belize, so we're gonna find more snakes. Stay in tune. It's Unbelizeable garden snake. Give us a like.
It's probably there. Or there. Or there.